Today we're going to bring a new filter. This is a backpack filter, and this is going to be perfect for those that have large aquariums, but you could pretty much use it for any aquarium you want, but it's considered more for anything over 30 gallons. All right, and we are going to set up. Now they do have a separating area here. This is where all the bad debris and poop and all that stuff for the fish goes in here, and you're going to be able to drain it out. Now don't get confused. These come attached together, and these are the actual separator from the backpack to the actual aquarium. This is how much length you have between the glass and you're in the system. All right, just be aware it attaches to the side of it. You could shorten it up so it won't be loose enough, all right, or you could increase it. Now they do give you the clay balls, and this is to collect the good bacteria, also to filter the actual water and all that stuff. Extra attachments, all right, which you're going to have to tie it up, including the suction cups, including the drain area. And of course they give you these, if you're not familiar with it, is actually visible to actually see if the water's circulating properly. And if you guys can see, they're here already in the actual system, so they're going to be rotating, meaning that it's going to be filtering the water to the bottom. Now to drain it out, you do need to attach maybe a long hose to your bucket, and then all you got to do is open it up and drain it out. That's what you got to do. But they do give you the actual power here to actually drain it out, twist it and drain it. All right, very important to taking out the top. All right, if you guys can see, the top is going to be a little tough. All right, what you want to do is make sure that this part right here, when you take it off, I'm going to demo it. You push it from the bottom up, brace out. All right, same thing with this one. All right, so because it grabs on, you push it to the from the bottom. All right, from the bottom too. All right, from this one too, and then they come off too, but don't worry about it. You can always put them back on. So, and they grab on easily too. So if you're gonna change the filters and add your stuff, this is the way you do it. You take out your thing, and it comes right now with sponges, but we're gonna replace at least clay ball here and maybe clay ball here in the bottom. All right, I need to use both bags I came with. That should be good enough. All right, you could even add the cover if you want, optional. We're gonna do that too. All right, attaching together, this is what I did. As a skimmer here, all right, and then the suction on the bottom, and then this part goes into the actual poop area. So we're gonna put it in this area here. Make sure it locks in. Once it locks in, now this one has plenty of options to do things. So we're going to show you a couple of different options that you can have. All right, this is very important. One last thing, you add water, you uncap this and you push it up, all right? And then you add your water through there. And there it goes. So if you haven't filled it up, circulating around. So mandatory, add water through here. And the system, the whole thing, so you can see it flowing. I'm gonna show you the inside. So it's grabbing water from that pipe right there, straight to the top. So if it's not working for you, you got to see the circulating. I'm gonna show you circulating water flow. So you see the little bubbles that we had in there? Look at the airflow on them. You could add more to see, make sure it's working. That's going to indicator that it's spinning right properly. Water's coming in here. Water's going out through here. So you can control the valve. If it's too fast, lower it down. This is where all the poop is going to gather, all the dot particle. Here's the actual to extract the actual water out. Have your bucket right underneath you. Put a pipe in here. Unlock it and then let it flow out. But look at this, you can see the water circulation is working very well. Water flow beautifully.